Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Alice from Alice in Wonderland on Dress to Impress. So let me remove everything except for the ones I did accessory adjustments on, which is the usual hair and accessories. For the hair, I use this in bangs only, and I didn't do any adjustments to that in this color F7C26B, and I use it for all of the hair, so make sure you save that. Then I use this hair, toggle it to the old version, position the Z at 0.55. Then I use this wavy hair in that same color, position the Y at 0.49 and Z 0.54. Then I grab this hair in no bangs, and I didn't do any adjustments on that. Grab the headband in black. For the adjustments, it's Y 0.53, rotate X at 0.4 and scale it to 0.44. And then for the bow, I did type 3. Position the Y at 0.58, the Z 0.32, rotate the X at 0.83 and scale it down to 0.19. For the outfit, it is pretty simple. I did use one VIP item. Just going to get the sleeves and color it this color, 5B93B2. Then I used this in just white, in no feet. Get these shoes and toggle it at socks, color it white, and toggle it to matte. For the outfit, I used the VIP item here in that same blue color in all white for the second and third toggle. And then lastly, we're just going to grab this skirt in blue, and then white, and then that blue. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!